Hello, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new point, that is inheritance. This is the one of the most important concept in OOPS. Now we define inheritance in so many forms. Inheritance is a methodology to extend the property of one class into the another class, or it is also defined as to derive a new class from the old class. That new class is also feature of old class and that's own new class. For example, in old phone, and that is Nokia 11 phone, there is only uh, the purpose of Nokia 1100 is only the calling and message purpose. But in case of the Android, to extend the mobile with calling and message with other features of Android. The types of inheritance are there are multiple types. Number one, single inheritance. Number two, multi-level inheritance. Number three, hybrid inheritance. Number four, multiple inheritance, and number five, hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. In a single inheritance, one class extend another class, that is one class, suppose for example class A extend the class B, then class A is a parent class, or it is also called as a super class, and class B is extended from the class A, then class B is also called as base class or child class. In single inheritance, there is a one child and one parent is only in a single inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, only one parent, and this parent is extend another parent, another child, and this child is also extend another child. For example, class B is a parent class, and this class extend a class B, and class B also extend a class A. This is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means parent and child and then child. Now, in case of hierarchical inheritance, there is a one parent, but it has a two child. For example, class A is a parent class, and class B and class C is also extended class A. This is an example of hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, only one parent and multiple child. In case of multi-level, one parent and child and then subchild. In case of a hybrid is a combination of single, multi-level and hierarchical. This two combination is coming in a hierarchical inheritance. Java does not support the multiple inheritance because it gives an compile time error to satisfy the multiple inheritance. In case of the multiple inheritance, the two parents is extended only one class, then this type of a scenario is called as a multiple inheritance. To achieve the multiple inheritance, we go through the abstraction and interface concept. This is another concept in a Java, but in case of the Java support only single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance in some cases. But Java can't satisfy or no Java can't support to the multiple inheritance. It is gives an error. That's why there are mainly three types of inheritance in Java. Number one, single inheritance. In single inheritance, one parent, one child. In multi-level inheritance, one parent, then child, then subchild of child. In hierarchical inheritance, there is a one parent, and these two parents is extended two classes. This is all about the inheritance in Java. Thank you.